if you are familiar with AWS Lambdas or Google Cloud Functions. I remember especially when AWS Lambdas came up, there was no out-of-the-box tool or local environment to execute this. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because I think the Cloudflare team, it's making sure that they skip some of the ecosystem gaps that the other companies had at the beginning, right? So I think that's pretty good when you have any new way of doing things, new libraries, new frameworks, and they learn from the other ones, from the previous ones. AWS Lambdas are awesome, no question about it. And as they move to the edge, that makes it more competitive to what Cloudflare Workers can do. There are many differences between them, but point being is that the Wrangler CLI brings you some of the benefits out of the box that you've come to expect from any of these tools or architectures.